So we're at Beaver Creek and we're hanging out by the fire again because it's cozy and we're here all weekend and it's gonna be great. Right, Aubrey? So the best part about Beaver Creek is it's so far from Denver that no one really comes here. There's always fresh snow to find. Let's do this. These trees are the best. All right, I'm gonna try that again without the selfie stick. How about these lines? Yo! Back there is literally magical. Here's a clip of me last year when I was there. There's so much fun stuff. Only at Beaver Creek does the Bunny Hill have a gondola. Now isn't this place nice? It's all right, day 2 on the mountain. We got some snow. It's gonna be fun. I'm determined to land this, so hopefully I get it. Woo! Yeah! The no-pole steez. Till next time, Beaver Creek. That's what happens when you hike up hills 10 times.